Page on Independence Day. Good morning to all my respected teachers, parents, and dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. India's Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indian citizens. India became a free nation on this day. Freedom was not easy to get. Many brave freedom fighters had died. They had died to make the country free. We should remember their courage and fight. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happy where we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy whole day in our school or home. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance, and various other fields which were almost impossible before freedom. India is one of the countries rich in nuclear power. We are going ahead by actively participating in the sport like Olympics, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. We have full right to choose our government and enjoy largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free and have complete freedom. Let us all work together and make our country the best country in the world. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.